The next website I'm going to talk about is Kahoot. Kahoot is a quiz website in which you can pull up different categories and do searches for different quizzes and different activities. The kids that are in my class and in fifth grade absolutely love Kahoot. We use it for test review, and you can actually use it for quizzes to get scores and feedback yourself. I have created I've created 6 quizzes for Kahoot. Most of mine are review type of quizzes in which we get ready for our state testing, and then I've also added a couple in there for living systems, um, which is a science unit that I teach. The quizzes are super easy to make. You can go through and you type your question, you type up your answer choices. It's kind of a multiple choice type thing. And then you can also set a timer for how long you want the questions to be answered. Um, Anytime we use this, like I said, the kids absolutely love it. And it actually gives them some pretty good feedback. The objective, again, is just to allow them to review for different tests and for different activities and the units that we've talked about. This is strictly for the students. Obviously, the teachers can get some feedback out of it, but there's no interaction with parents or anything like that. It is okayed by the COPPA laws, and so you don't have to worry about any of the information getting out to the public. It's super easy to make a quiz, and then you can also go to just discover quizzes, and anything that you are learning about, there's probably a pretty good chance that you will be able to find a quiz that will fit your needs. Use the filters to narrow it down a little bit. You can use levels. Ours would be grade 5. And so with the filters that we have, it pulls up the different uh, quizzes that are available for that. It is 100% free, which is really cool, and it works great.